yesterday we were discussing about the demand generation campaign, correct? We all learned how to launch a demand generation campaign, and with that, we learned publishing campaigns like search campaign, video campaign, performance max campaign, YouTube video campaigns, shopping campaigns, and demand generation. The six different types of campaigns. We are done with all six different types of campaigns, right? Everyone? Yeah. So anybody has questions with regard to these campaign types? Are you not clear with any of the campaign type? Are you all confident that you will be able to launch? See, they all are actually quite simple, very easy. If you are already a marketer, if you could think smart about what works, what doesn't work, and what kind of target audience you should be picking, right? Target audience, target locations, target demographics. There's so many other things when it is not a search campaign. If it is search campaign, just the keyword, going by the right keyword, understanding the keyword intentions is sufficient, correct? But when it comes to the display campaign or any other types of campaign, you need better understanding about the audience segments, okay? And if it is shopping campaign, you have to learn linking your merchant center with Google Ads. If that is done, shopping campaigns are the most simplest and the easiest types of campaigns to launch.
So if you want to market merchant account, you should have a website.
So yes, so when you sign up a merchant you don't need to have a own website. You can launch it for any website. Sorry, you need to have a website. You are going to verify that you own that website. So if you are able to get that verification done, you can have a merchant center account done, even though it doesn't belong to you. But if you put verified on the platform, you will be able to sign up a merchant center account, okay? So let's see if there is anything left under the camping section. Okay, sorry, not this account. I'll just pick a different account. Okay. So in the previous classes, we have always picked website traffic. Sales and leads, we have seen it just asked you for by default conversions. You have to pick cost per conversion, CPA. Okay. So these two also we have seen. App promotion, awareness and consideration, local store visits, we have to understand, right? So app promotion we haven't launched till now, right? So this is also one of the simplest campaign type. We'll see. Yeah. Are we all good to start, everybody?
Yes,
You all can hear me,
Yes.
you all can see the screen, right? Online joinees.
Yes.
Yeah. So for this you'll have to click on app promotion. So we don't have any real app, so we won't be able to see it to the full, but I'll show it to you how it looks like. Okay, select a campaign time, app, drive downloads and grow engagement for your app. So you can achieve two things from the app promotion. One is you can get the installations for your app, and second thing is you can also drive certain kinds of engagement on your application. So people are using app. So for example, you are using a photo editing app, correct? So you can the marketer can make you use a specific feature on the photo editing app. The marketer can make you purchase a product on the photo editing app, right? Or they can make you add credits to the wallet, right? You can do those kinds of promotions also pertaining to the app. It's not just about the installations. Engagement on the app. You could see that here. Drive downloads and grow engagement. Okay, so download and grow engagement for your app. Both could be a combination. There is engagement as well separately. Yeah. App installation. Get new people to install your app. App engagement. App pre-registration. Android only. App get new users to pre-register for your app before launch. App is not yet launched, but you can still get the registrations for your app, right? We'll look into it how each of these works. Yeah. Okay, app installations, get new people to install your app. Select your mobile app platforms. Which app do you want to promote now? App, obviously you'll have two versions, Android version and iOS version. Correct, at least these two versions for most of the business. There are a couple of other app stores also. Okay, so I'll select Android. Enter the app name, package name, publisher or Play Store URL. You can directly copy paste the Play Store URL, or I will just type here and I'll pick a app that I want to promote. What happened? Okay, there are no Android apps in your account.
Submit showing.
Huh?
Submit showing.
What is showing?
Blocks info, represented, overlay.
Yeah, yeah, it shows up. That's what I'm wondering, like why it's not showing for me. Did you select Android or iOS?
Android.
Yeah, see. Okay. So, which is your app in this? You might be owning one of the apps. You could be the owner of the app, right? Your client. Cookpad recipes, homemade food, Korean food recipes. Okay, I'll just pick some random. Let's assume this is our app. Okay. Campaign name, film rights, app promotion, test campaign. So this is October 24. For my reference, I'm adding October 24. See, if you have to get the iOS installations, you have to launch another campaign for iOS installation. Okay, so this campaign is for Android app installation. Online join is, you all can see the screen, right?
Yes, I.
Okay, just click on continue, start new. Yeah. So select locations. I want to promote this only in a specific target region. Let's say HSR layout or Bangalore. You can pick any location of your choice. Okay. Then language is English. Next. Set your average daily budget for your campaign, right? So we have no view how much to be set. For the month, you won't pay more than your daily budget times the average number of days in a month. Some days you might spend less than your daily budget, and on other you might spend up to twice as much. Okay, I'll just put 1,000 rupees a day, or maybe 100. Bidding, install volume. So we have picked app installation. That's why we don't see these two options: app, in app actions, in app action value, right? So based on the type of goal you have picked, our goal was app installation. Do you all remember?
Yeah,
Right? Hence, install volume only. How many installations do you want? I want 100, 1,500. Correct? What kind of users do you want to target? All users, users likely, all users. Let's see the targeting. Set a target cost per installation. Let's say 10 rupees. Your budget is too low for your target cost per installation, which means your ads may not show. To improve campaigns performance, increase your budget at least 50x your target cost per installation. 50 times of target cost per installation. So 50 times of 10 rupees is 500 rupees. 50x. So my budget has to be, sorry, 5000. 50 into, I had said 100, right? Yeah, yeah, correct. 500 only. Yeah, it's 500. The campaign will use target CPA bid strategy to help you get the most conversions at or below your budgets. Cost per acquisition is nothing but cost per installation. Cost per installation is your cost per acquisition. Correct? It's 10 rupees. Right? Okay. So, how many installations will you be getting at 10 rupees when your budget is 500 rupees? 50 installations. Correct? So, there is a possibility of you getting 50 installations a day with a budget of 500 rupees. But Google Ads will not spend only 500. There is a possibility of it consuming up to 1000 rupees. That's what they have written here. Double the budget also to the right side. Some days you might spend less than your daily budget, and on other days might spend up to twice as much of your budget. They want to earn more. So technically, why it happens is some days your CPCC. Why it happens is it's something like this. Tomato market. You must have seen, right? People will sell 1 rupee kg, and they'll sell at 100 rupees kg also, right? So when nobody see, let's assume it's a festival or COVID, people are not going outside at all. Nobody is willing to promote a offline restaurant on the ads. Then inventory is full free, correct? Nobody is buying it. Google has abundant inventory, and now this abundant inventory can be sold at a very cheaper price also by Google. It is fully available for you, correct? Your CPC is just 1 rupees all these days, and you are hardly getting 20 clicks even with a budget of 2000 rupees. So Google is consuming only 20 rupees from your campaign, though the budget is set to 2000 rupees, because the CPC that you have mentioned is 1 rupee. I am willing to pay only 1 rupee per click, correct? But everybody else are spending at 1.5 or 2 rupees or 5 rupees. So Google prefers to sell to them their inventory, not to you, correct? Correct, everybody? So in those scenarios or cases, your ads will not show up often. If it is not showing often, there are less chances of people clicking on your website, and only 20 clicks or fewer clicks, and budget is consumed is low. So now the other scenario, nobody is bidding and your campaigns are running. Since inventory is huge, now Google is okay to show. You are the only person. Even if you say I will pay 50 paisa, Google will show your ads. Correct? Clear, guys, everyone? Why the budget consumed is someday it varies. Why the budget varies? The consumption, the spend. It's not budget, the spend. Why your spend varies? The campaign spend varies. Correct? Clear, everyone? Online journeys are not acknowledging it. Yeah. To keep your data safe, please confirm that it's really you. After confirmation, you will need to complete your action. So, block during authentication. Okay, confirm. I have to log into this account again. I don't know if I remember the password. Give me a few seconds. I'm checking it. So I haven't received a security code. So I'm initiating it again. I receive every single code every day of all the clients of the all the.
More risk.
No, no, I know that that number is not mine. I'll have to call that person and check. Hello. Canada was two-step verification code. I'm Office, Google verification code. Just tell me that number. Google verification code to one of these one. Huh? 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 185620. One second, be on the line. That's done. Thank you. Okay. So we are done with the verification, authentication. Yeah. So next is you have you'll have to write headline. This is watch movies for free. So based on the app, it's suggesting the deadline stream movies and TV shows. Okay, three is fine. Guys, I'm very lazy to write and then I'm picking some random text, whatever it's suggesting. So when you are launching, don't do this. Always plan the communication, what has to be communicated. Okay, images. See, look at this, how it shows. You must have seen these kinds of ads, right? Install,
Yeah, sir.
right? See, now you all are capable of launching such kinds of ads. They're all very simple to launch, correct? Film Rise ratings, it's showing the different places. How it shows on search. This will be the Play Store. Multiple places, not just Play Store. Why previews are not clear? So image is not added. That's why image is not loading here, right? So we'll try adding some images. Less images. So I'll add this. See, we used to get the images designed and upload less options earlier. Save. Install option, download button. So people will be taken directly to the Play Store. They'll be downloading it on the Play Store, from the Play Store. Yeah. Videos. See, you can add voiceover separately. You can pick a video and you can add voiceover to that video. Okay. Yeah. From videos you created in the Google Ads, from YouTube, review upload. So we don't have any voiceover. So better we'll leave asset library. I'll just put some video from YouTube. Save. On Google Play Store, when people are searching for something, it shows in the top, right? So that way, different places, not just there. Okay. Then choose HTML5 to use in your ad. Upload HTML media bundles. Choose files to upload. By adding a HTML file media bundle, you confirm that you own all legal rights to the HTML5 media bundle and have permissions to share the HTML5 media bundle with Google for use on your behalf in advertising or for the other commercial purposes. So you can upload HTML templates, HTML content built. Okay. So we don't have anything. So we'll not do it now. I'll just show you what it means. Add HTML file uploads. All HTML file uploads must be in a zip file format with no more than 412 pixels within the zip file and a maximum file size of 5 MB. Also, all HTML assets must use the following dimensions: 320 into 480 or 480 into 3. See, images can be added in HTML version, right? So that code can be that thing can be added here. You and I never added this HTML5 to use in the ad. It needs understanding of HTML5. Okay. Create or select an audience to use as a signal to reach the right customer. See, earlier in the other types of campaigns, we used to first pick the keywords or the audience, correct? Here, while launching the ad itself, not itself, During launching the ad, they are showing the audience, or you can ignore also. So with the type of bid strategy, audience signals won't be used in this campaign with the bid strategy. Add an audience signal, maybe a bit strategy might vary. So same, the audience signals, how we were creating the audience signal, people visiting our competitor websites or competitor apps, competitor YouTube channels or YouTube content, or people using specific keywords on Google, or based on their browsing history or anything like that. Okay, see, we can create audiences based on YouTube channels they have visited, based on YouTube videos they have visited, based on the keywords that they have used on Google or on YouTube, based on specific types of website they have visited, or maybe people whomsoever have visited your website can now see your app as well. Install our website app. So, for example, this is Canada Foods account, right? Every month, some 50,000 people visit that website, but nobody knows that there is app. In fact, there is no app. If at all, if we are building an app and publishing the app on the App Store and Play Store, we can start showing this app to those 50,000 people whoever are visiting the website every month. Got it?
Without app also we can
You don't need app, right? I mean, it's your choice. Website should suffice. The app is for further convenience, for more repeat orders. You are creating a convenience mobile app, right? So you can select one of them and you can go with it. Next, any questions or doubts in this stage, guys? Okay, so that's all we have to publish this campaign, and it's all done. If you are publishing it, it's all done. So whenever there is an app installation, in the account itself you will see how many people have visited, clicked on it, and how many people have installed. You will get to see all of the data. Unfortunately, this is not our app and we don't have the app, so we are not running this campaign, but it's all simple. This is the main thing. Okay, whenever there is an installation you will get to see that. Budget 500, languages, products, assets. So I'm not going to publish this. Clear, everybody?
Yes, Manjeet.
Okay. Cancel is canceling the publishing. Save for later. Publish. There's no way to delete. Save for later. Okay. So what are the other options that we have? Campaign, app promotion. We are done with the app promotion. Correct. And awareness and consideration. Display video demand gen. You see that? We have learned all of these options already. Correct? See, just at the top level, they are using a different terminology. They want to push more towards these kinds of campaigns because they have limited inventory for search. Everybody are willing to show only on the Google in the first few positions. Majority of them. To how many people will they sell that slots? So they are telling, no, no, I don't. I have better product than this. See, everybody are going to that apparel shop and asking for a specific apparel. They have only 10 pieces, but 100 people have walked into their shop. What will they tell? They will start telling stories. No, no, these are not that great, that good. I have something very interesting, amazing, great. And they will sell what they want to sell. Correct? But many customers, they will buy only what they want to buy. But unfortunately, that segment is only 10 percentage. 90 percentage of the people will fall prey for their selling tactics. Madam, this will be super for you, ma'am. This is amazing. This is a new launch. All the celebrities are buying this one only. That this, they'll tell all the stories, serial names, everything, and they will sell all the apparel to you. Correct. So same Google does the same thing. Google don't have inventory, right? So it is smartly putting a different name to it. See, that is the reason there's so many names for saris. I don't think any woman in this class, any girl in this class also knows all the names of the saris. People are bringing in different names to grab attention, to sell. Okay, same way Google is bringing in different names, but when you click on it, ultimately it's the same thing: display video demand generation, which we were seeing in the website traffic. Look at this: website traffic, haptic website traffic, and we are seeing same thing. Correct? Display video demand gen. Correct? So come back. Local store visits and promotions. Local store visits and promotions. Look at this. What do you think as a local business, as a digital marketing training institute? I think this is something that's going to promote only the Google business listing of my company, correct? Or it shows only under maps. Drive visits to local stores, including restaurants and dealerships. It is performance max again, correct? Create a campaign without a goal or audience. This is smart campaign. It's actually ideally should be called as unsmart campaign, non-smart campaign. They're giving a name smart campaign so that you think you are launching a very smart campaign, and you will, right, no goal. Create a campaign without a goal. Guidance: choose a campaign type first without a recommendation, based on your objective. Okay, so the additional thing that came in is app and smart here. Correct? See, I told you, right? Smart. Reach customers with a one stop solution built for small businesses. Okay, so what does this show? See, call for free ad setup help at this number, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. IST, Monday to Friday. See, people will not know. Let's get started. Set up your campaign quickly by linking accounts. So we have access to all of these Google business listings, and it is showing all of them. So now you don't have to do anything. It learns from this listing. It understands everything pertaining to that listing. You must have written Digital Marketing Training Institute by Canada Digital. From that, there is a keyword right in it: Digital Marketing Institute. Don't have a website. Send people to your business profile. Preview your business profile. Your business profile showcases what's unique about your business. People who click your ad, go your business, etc. Everything. It's showing what we see, the usual business profile. Your website recommended for you. Take people to Google business profile. Let's see what happens. Next, scanning your business profile, or it scans your website. So you will get more calls when you get everybody to your business profile. Thanks, people come here after they click your ad. Done. That's all. Okay, it's there still. This is message. Thanks, people come here after they click your ad. Mobile, desktop. Are you a professional marketer? Switch to expert mode. What's your main advertising goal? Get more calls. I don't know. There are good chances that our account might get switched to smart campaign. Smart account, complete account itself might become a smart account. I'm worried now. Next. Now it's time to write your ad. So it only has wrote all of it. See, Google want more business coming from layman's also. All smota restaurant guys, they'll not know any of these things. See, look at this, how simple it is now. It made so simple for everyone. You don't have to think of anything. Just click next. Publish it. That's all. Show your location in your ad next. Add keywords, themes to match your ad to searches. People will simply add all of it. Selected keyword theme, digital marketing training institute already selected.
Exactly.
Uh, I'll have to select few more. I'll just go with it. Advertise near an address. It is showing complete. Bangalore 25 kilometers surroundings. People staying around only wants to come offline or register with the training institutes. Maximum 5 kilometers. It starts at 5 only. Surrounding 5 kilometers. Next. Select a budget option, daily budget, monthly 3000. See, Google realized in volumes also there is huge money. There's so many small businesses. They don't prefer to spend. See, Google, I was speaking to one of the Google's representative last month. Uh, some sales head, somebody called me. Manjunath, you are an agency, right? So, what kind of clients you have? Do they all spend more than 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs a month? Minimum, we want you to give us a clients who are willing to spend minimum 5 lakhs. And this Chota Mota guys will not spend 5 lakhs and all. They don't even spend 10,000 rupees. See, Google now takes whatever they are paying. Google takes it's like Shivaji Nagar market or Jayanagar market. Somebody, they will say 1000 rupees. They will say, I'll pay only 800 rupees. They'll give it to them. Next, another customer comes. They'll say to them also 1000 rupees. They will bargain 100 rupees. They'll give it to them also. Are you all getting it, everybody? Exactly, Google is doing the same thing for different kinds of clients, right? So see, by default, it has picked by itself this one. Next, review your campaign to be sure it's right. Campaign name, digital marketing course, campaign goal, phone calls, your business profile, everything. Next, see if it's a restaurant, that will be very useful. See, I did not even publish it. It has already published and pending. So I'm pausing the campaign. Before you pause, campaigns typically improve with time. Don't pause, don't pause. If you think that's not working for you, still you don't pause, they'll improve with time. See, again, see, I have already clicked pause campaign. Simply they should pause it, right? See, look at this, how much drama they are doing. See, again, how long do you want to pause? See, look at this. Sometimes you will be telling to people, don't call me, don't do that, don't do this, don't. Again and again, they will try to put it in a different way. Okay, I don't know. My account itself has converted to a smart account, I think. So send us feedback again. Please let us know about your experience. This should take 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, my all other campaigns still remain the same. That's only specific to that campaign. See, if you have no other campaigns in the account, it switches to AdWords Express. So somebody who is using the smart campaign option, the account will be switched to AdWords Express. AdWords Express is an option or a feature or an account for layman, and this is for an expert. Automatically it switches to AdWords Express. Look at this, they're not using the layman, they're not using any other word, negative word, they're calling it as AdWords Express. Okay, clear guys, everybody? So again, coming to campaigns, if you click this, smart done, app we have done, we have seen almost everything. Clear? There's so many other options to explore. Each of this has so much data to explore, features or options in the account, insights and reports, auction insights. You will be able to learn where do your competitors stand, or in comparison to your competitor, where do you stand, what kind of impressions are they getting, how many clicks are they taking. So you will get to see all of that, lot of things. We will continue to learn all of them in the upcoming classes. Okay, everybody?
Sure.
So any questions, any doubts? Are you all feeling that you will be able to do it by yourself? See now, expert, whatever I am showing, a expert launches and a fresher also launches these campaigns. Now, what is the different thing that expert should be doing from fresher?
He will try to reduce the CPA.
How will you
Like
reduce?
selecting few experience, selecting.
See, the beauty of digital marketing is there's no difference between 10 years experienced and 2 years or 1 year or completely fresher profile. When they understand what is next and what has to be done. In other kinds of profiles, people needs a lot of time to learn everything. In digital marketing, it's all about knowing the things. It doesn't really need several years of efforts. Knowing the things, knowing the priorities, knowing what matters the most, right? So whatever we have done till now, this is what usually people will learn, and just skip everything else. We are going to look into it in the upcoming classes. That is what is going to make you look like several years experienced professional. If you could understand all of that effectively, there is no difference between a fresher and an experienced professional. Correct? If I ask you what is CPA, you are able to tell, and an experienced professional is also able to tell. Correct? In terms of knowledge, feature, options, doing all of this is same, just that exposure. They might work on real-time projects. They get to see. See, it's all about if you are recalling something again and again, there are good chances that you remember. Correct? Even when I wake up you in the midnight, you will be able to tell. If you're not recalling, eventually you will forget your own phone number. Correct? The same happens. That's the difference between somebody who is laying their hands in it and working on a daily basis and not working. That's the only difference. If you're not working, see, the knowledge in terms of knowledge is same. Now it's all about you have to quickly get into a role where they allow you to work on this platform. That's how you will be better. That's how, see, you will be able to quickly, spontaneously use the words, terminologies, tell, speak about it, right? And the knowledge becomes deep further. Correct? With practice. Correct? Okay. Anybody has questions? Do you have any question? You were speaking something. Okay, I have cleared it. Good. Online joinees, any questions?
No.
Okay. If there are no questions, we'll wind it up for today. Yeah? Thank you, everyone.